How's it going, everybody? Double D here. I wanted to make a video about this Leatherface I got. It's Pretty Lady Leatherface, or Pretty Woman, from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like and kind of give it a quick review, I guess. It says that show us your collection. I've only found the one. There's the box. There's the side of the box. There's the back of the box. There's the other side of the box, and then here's that other side again. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Got this from Ross's for like $5. Alright, here's the base. There's the back of the base. There's Leatherface. No, he's out of the packaging. There's Leatherface. Pretty Woman Leatherface. So, it is a vinyl figure. That's pretty cool for a $5 toy at Ross's. Pretty good haul, or a pretty good find. I also did get there's the base and the you have two little peg holes. You can peg his feet in. Maybe not. I don't know. You can peg one foot in, at least. Not very well. So, that sucks. Not very well to... As you can see, I'm pegging them in, but... Okay, well, that's as good as it's gonna get for pegging it in. So... But yeah, guys. Creepy ass Leatherface guy. There it goes. Alright, thanks for watching.